In this video, we will show you how to download Genshin Impact on Windows operating system. In here, because Genshin Impact is based on Android operating system, you need to get the emulator, and I suggest you can using BlueStacks emulator. After you download the BlueStacks, you can directly install the BlueStack. After that, you can open your BlueStack. Okay. If your BlueStack is error, you can try to run as administrator when opening the BlueStacks application. In here, you can make this BlueStack full screen, and to open the emulator, you can just open the app player here. Then the app player or emulator will open look like this. In here, to install the Genshin Impact games, you can just go to Play Store. Also, you need to log in using your Google account here. Then you can find the Genshin Impact, okay? And then you can click this to install the Genshin Impact. If your PC or your Windows doesn't support, maybe you need to setting your graphic card. Okay, you can also allocate the CPU and graphic here. And the Genshin Impact will download until it's done. After the download is completed, the Genshin Impact will installing on your BlueStacks emulator. Then you can click play button here. Okay, BlueStacks have button look like this, and this is very helpful if you are a gamer, of course. You can also make the BlueStack full screen by clicking this option. You can see there. And in here, you successfully install the Genshin Impact on the BlueStacks or on your Windows. And you need to create account and log in to continue the game. And hope this will be helpful for you.